been 24 hours and we're ready for our next feed. Let's take a look. So you can see that we're starting to see maybe a little bit of bubble activity. Sometimes it's hard to tell if that's from stirring a stiff starter or if that's bubbles formed by your yeast. If you're not sure, be patient. You'll definitely be able to tell in a few more feeds when your starter's a little more active. But I can definitely tell that there's a little bit of activity going in this one, so we're gonna go ahead and give it its next feed. You're going to feed your starter a 1/4 cup of flour and 2 tablespoons of water. So let's do that. So level 1/4 cup, and then 2 tablespoons of water. Now, of course, you can always adjust your water based on how thick you like your sourdough starter. But we like ours a little thicker, so we do 2 tablespoons. And just give it a good stir. Remember, you can't over stir your starter, right? All of the incorporation of air is good for the yeast and the microbiome in your starter. Once you're done mixing your starter, you're gonna let it sit for another 24 hours.